to Riihimäki, so we are catching the train at 11:15, and we will take a train until Kirava, and then from Kirava we will take another train to So the train will arrive 11:57, and we have plenty of time. Hi babe. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Yeah, we will ride a train, but we have to wait for the train. It's gonna be here soon. We are now in the train, guys. So it's gonna be about, I think, 20-25 minutes trip to Kirava. So I'm wearing my mask because it's recommended in the public transport to wear a mask. So wearing is caring. So we will arrive at 12:18 in Kirava, and then we will transfer train. We'll transfer train to Riihimäki. For our train to Riihimäki. We're not going back to Helsinki. So guys, our train is arriving soon. Teo can't wait. Are you excited to ride another train? Babe? Teo! Hey. Hi guys, so we are now in the train. It will take about 30 minutes trip to Riihimäki, and Teo is sitting across. Where is Teo? Teo! Riihimäki, and a friend is gonna pick us up here. So we're just gonna wait. Bye! So now we are here in Riihimäki. It's our first time here. Well,